Jasmine again. I'm back with a quick little video, and in today's video I kind of just wanted to give you guys like an honest opinions on some new hair extensions I bought. Just going to hop right in. This is going to be like a very quick snappy little video. Got the bundle deal. I got three separate bundles, so 3 bundles of weavable hair. Oh, let me tell you the lengths I got. So I got a 20-inch, I believe a 16-inch, and then I believe this one is 18. Yep, and then a 18-inch bundle as well. Okay, so this is a decent amount in there. I'm pretty familiar with bundle sizes and how they can kind of be puny, but it's not the biggest bundle, I'll be honest, but it is pretty respectable size. So in comparison to my hand, you can see how big that bundle is. So pretty decent size there. That is actually very nice quality. It definitely has, ooh, that's soft. My. And the funny thing is, it does have a smell to it. I was hoping, because I saw some reviews saying it didn't have like a weird musty smell, but it does have a smell to it. Let's see, we're in natural light right now, so let's see if it's a good match. I mean, I think that's actually a really good match for my hair. Huh. Well. I think that is pretty close to my natural hair. It's not spot on. It's not spot on. It does not exactly mimic my hair, because let's be honest, guys, we all have very, very separate genes. We're in different gene pools, and the characteristics of our hair, it's going to slightly vary from person to person. So it's impossible for a bundle of hair to completely exactly match your texture or your color rather. But first impressions looking at this hair, it does look quite healthy. And it has like a very natural look to it, as it should. The only thing that's throwing me off is the smell. First impression, I'm actually pleasantly surprised. This is the 20 and this is the 18. They may be exactly the same, but this one looks so much bigger than this one, which is kind of weird. Pleasantly surprised though. Super nice quality for the price, guys. Very nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.